Good morning. So today we're Tuesday, August the 25th, 2020, and today we'll be doing reading, some story time, and PE. So, what is your mood today? Are you feeling excited, surprised, sad, or happy? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Okay, let's start with the days of the week. So, we'll start with a Monday. And today, of course, is Tuesday. So tomorrow will be Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday. Everybody gets excited for Friday, because after Friday, we have the two best days of the week, Saturday and Sunday. Days of the week and date. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. So today's date is August the 25th, 2020. And the weather outside today is hot. And the season is summertime. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So we are August, summertime, and then next month, or would actually be next week, we'll start with September, and we'll go into fall. Remember, right now that we're at home, we still need to stay active. Make sure you do your PE video, your exercise video that's attached in Teams. Also, in the evenings, go out, take a ride bike, walk your dog. If you have a scooter, play basketball. Just stay active during this time. Today's agenda, we have on different days we do different things, which is English, math, science, social studies, vocational, and other. Today we'll be doing reading. You'll have your social skill, story time, and some exercise. Your social skill lesson is don't quit. There's a short video with 3 questions at the end that can be answered. The due date for these questions is on Wednesday. If you have any questions, go ahead and contact Ms. Castañeda, Ms. Martinez, Mr. Guzman, or myself, Ms. De La Garza. And you can call me and I'll help you out with any problems or questions that you may have. Thank you.